Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to revise tags. So, there are two positions in Garun project, so junior and senior. Senior is the one who are responsible for maintaining the standard of the project. So, as a new member, you would have to start off in the junior positions. So so the reason for the junior positions is because say when you add a new line or block or a page, you want someone to review whether or not you are um, using correct say tag system, or whether or not you write thing in the correct way. So then you would after you add that, say you added this line, what you have to do is you have to first add your own person page. Person page is represented by prefix of add, and earlier I did created new member, a new member name new member, and I created a page for them. And next you have to create revise, and then go proceed into who do you want to revise. Now when I go into the person page of the one who you want to revise, you're going to see that this line pops up. And since this is a correct line, you add this line correctly, I will approve it. So what happens is, if you go into the new person page, new member page, you're going to see that this pop up into the not approved, already approved. And say this line is not here, you're going to see that it's going to come here in this and not approved. So this is an easy way to manage how to how whether or not this certain thing are approved already. And the reason for that is, say when you are approved with a certain block, say this block, and after you read this whole thing and understood it correctly, all you gotta do is delete this the revise tag system in general. Just remove them all. It's gonna be removed from this already. So what this means is that if this tag have been reviewed and to the standard that we maintain, and now it is safely put into the knowledge base. Let's go back to the tutorial of revise tags. And say you have another line, say you add it incorrectly. First we do the same thing. We add a new member page. That's representing me at the moment as a junior member. Revise, and I want this person to revise it. And then let's go into this person page. Right? Same thing here. It's gonna pop up here. But say you did something wrong, and I'm not going to make a comment on this. So what I now have to do is, actually let me do it like this. What I have to do is I have to send this comment. So he has to send this comment to this new member. So I have to send the comment to this new member. So I do send to the member, and then the member know that okay, this is a comment. And say, please fix the following so I can approve it. Now, since I'm still revising this, I cannot remove the revise tag. Oh no, I cannot add the proof tag. So let's go to this page. Here, it's gonna come up in not still need revise. So you're gonna see that, oh look, you know, someone has, no, you're actually going to come and see, okay, someone has sent you something, right? Then you're going to see, okay, so he want me to fix this and that. So I'm going to then, okay, fix it. Then after I fix it, I'm going to then remove this. So this is gone. Then you go to the page again, and then I'm going to say, okay, you actually fix it now. Let's approve. Now the process, as we've seen before, going to be go to the new member. Now you see it is approved. You understand. You remove. Gone. So that is the. You can see that this content is added here safely. So I'm going to end the demonstration here. Thank you very much, and new tutorial coming out very soon.